Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Wondering how to turn your crypto into real cash using Kucoin in 2025? In this video, I will show you how to safely withdraw your money from Kucoin to your bank account and or card, step by step, even if you are a beginner. Unlike some other exchanges, KuCoin doesn't directly support bank withdrawals, but don't worry, I will show you two methods that work globally. P2P, peer-to-peer. Sell crypto to buyers who send money to your bank. Transfer to another exchange like Binance, Coinbase that supports direct withdrawals. First of all, convert your coins into USDT. It's a stable coin used in most trades. Go to trade section, then click spot trading. Now search for your coin like BTC or USDT. Sell BTC for USDT using market order. For instant conversions. Now you are ready to withdraw. Go to crypto by crypto section. From here, click P2P trading. Now select USDT, then click um, then payment method like bank, click confirm, and enter select currency like USD. Choose a buyer high completion rate, preferred payment method like bank transfer, Paytm, GPay, etc. Enter the amount and start the trade. KuCoin will hold your USDT in escrow. Wait for a buyer to send the money to your bank or card. Click buy and follow the process. Complete receipt, then release the USDT. Only confirm after the money is in your account. Use in app chat if needed. P2P works 24 to 7 hours. 24 hours and 7 days, even on holidays. If you prefer a direct withdrawal to your card or bank, use another exchange that supports fiat withdrawals. Create an account on Binance or Coinbase if you don't already have one. On KuCoin, go to Assets, then Funding Account. Then click Withdraw. Select USDT. Enter your Binance or Coinbase USDT address. Paste address. Select network like TRC for low fees. Confirm withdrawal. Once funds arrive, go to Binance or Coinbase, sell USDT, withdraw to bank or card. P2P is fee free but depends on buyers and your country. Transfer to Binance may cost network fees like $1 TRC20. Withdrawal from Binance or Coinbase to bank may take minutes to few hours depending on region. To stay safe while withdrawing, use verified buyers on P2P. Never release crypto before receiving money. Enable two-factor authentication and trading password. Be aware of scams or overpayments asking for refunds. For verification, click complete verification, then click verify. Complete the verify process with your ID card, passport, or driver's license. From the dashboard, click security, then choose passkey, click create passkey, go to your email inbox, enter the code from here, then follow the process, go back to authenticator app, then click fonts, click link and enter the verification code, enter your number and follow the process. Now download the Google Authenticator app, then click link, enter the verification code and follow the process. Withdrawing from Kucoin may need one extra step, but it's easy once you know how. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment your country so I can share withdrawal options that work best for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So keep stay safe, happy trading.